Okay, so these guys are ready. These are coming along. I don't think these other ones are going to be doing too good. These guys are really good. Loving it, loving it. So, but this is bad here. This is very bad. Like, I just don't know why they didn't. I don't know why they didn't do anything. I don't know. Don't know. But these guys are ready, so I'm gonna harvest them. They're starting to turn up, so. Alright, well that's the mushrooms for today. I think these guys are a total failure down here. I'll have to get some more going tomorrow. Alright, talk to you later. Alright everybody, so it is Monday. Haven't done a video in a day or so. Yesterday I did nothing but mushrooms. So I know I just did a video about that and it's kind of repetitive, so I didn't do another one. And Tropical Storm Florence is here. Got here about, I'd say officially like 9 o'clock this morning. And it's been raining all day, pretty much like this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, it's been this or heavier. We've got about close to 2 inches of rain, flood warnings, blah blah blah. So we got a market tomorrow, so there won't be, probably will not have a video. Possibly I will though. Tomorrow will be the first time we take a couple mushrooms to the market. So other than that, that's about it. Said it's not much of a video, but it's been pouring down rain here all day, and we got our daily stuff done before the rain got here. So, and that's pretty much all it is. It's been raining all day. We're probably going to be processing chickens on Wednesday, and as you guys know, I don't show that, but so that'll be a day probably without a video. But yeah, I get a chance. I probably won't though. It's pouring down rain and I'm not walking over there. I did, just so you know, I did 61 bags of mushrooms yesterday. So, I didn't even get done till like 9 o'clock last night. So, alright, well, I mean, I am complaining about the rain, but it's a lot better than what, I have family in Jacksonville, North Carolina, and they're without power. They had almost 40 inches of rain. They're still without power. And my cousin's son, he lives on the Cape Fear River, and the last he checked, even with his house being 18 feet on poles, he has over 2 feet of water in his house. So my heart goes out to those guys down there and to everybody else that's been affected, but it's rough. I mean, brand new homeowner, just got that house, not even been in it a year, and it's already underwater. So Zachary, if you see this, buddy, we're thinking about you. Hang in there, it's only a house. They make them every day. All right, talk to you guys later.